Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm gonna travel to Madai stream and I will also guide you to how to get there, so please don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like my videos, please support me by subscribing to my channel and liking and sharing this video to your friends. Madai stream basically means a big stream of Ma On Shan, which runs from Ma On Shan down to Tai Shui Hang. It is basically famous for its clear blue water and countless pools along its course. And one thing which I felt while at the stream was it reminds me of Kawasan Falls in Philippines. Please wear your shoes with extra grip because you need it, and if possible try to wear the waterproof shoes because you need to walk on the waters and you need to step on the stones. And please be careful while stepping on the stone because it gets sometimes so slippery you may fall. And here's a tip for you guys: please do not visit this place on Sundays and public holidays because it gets so crowded. You will not able to find a place for yourself, so try to visit on weekdays. Getting to Madai stream is very easy. You just need to get down at Tai Shui Hang MTR station and just follow the exit B. After exiting from the exit B, follow the straight path for about 100 meters and take a right turn towards the Madai stream dam side. It will take you about half an hour to reach the Madai stream dam site from MTR exit B. After reaching the dam site, you need to cross the fence which is on the left side and follow the path to reach the stream. Be careful while walking on the stones, and sometimes you have to also climb up the cliffs. Be careful about that also, and try to wear some shoe with extra grip because it will help you to walk on the slippery stones. So enjoy your day at Madai stream and I will see you in the next video.